If you've been wondering how much gear you can actually carry in the Himalayan Trailpack 450, this video is for you. Let's start with a puncture kit. I have a spare tube, a tool kit and an air pump. I will split this kit by putting the spare tube and air pump in one Trailpack while placing the tool kit in other one. This to try and keep both the bags balanced when mounted on the bike so that you are not adding more weight to one side. Similarly, I usually pack heavier gear to the bottom of the bag so that the weight is kept a bit lower. Besides, I'm always hopeful that the puncture gear and toolkits are the things that I will not need to reach out during a ride. Then comes the layers. I have my waterproof jacket. This is the Viaterra B100 waterproof jacket and matching waterproof pants. Both of these are extremely light and packed down quite small, so I can fold them up and put them into one of the Trailpack. There is still some more room left here, so I'm going to place my additional waterproof gloves here. So this Trailpack has a spare tube, an air pump, a rain jacket, a rain pant and waterproof gloves. Closing the roll top, now we'll make this waterproof. My other Trailpack already has a toolkit. Now I'm going to add my warm mid layer here. This is the Viaterra Boreal. Keeping these layers easily accessible is extremely useful on rides where weather keeps changing. Over here, I also have space to add a few other things that I might otherwise keep in my tank bag, a sunglass case, power bank, a charging cable and small packet of biscuits for a snack. With all of this inside, the bag can still be comfortably rolled up and closed. I also have room in these outer pockets on each of the bags to add things like small bottle of sanitizer, some tissue, a face towel or anything else that I don't need to be protected from the rain. What would you carry if you were using these Trailpacks on your Himalayan 450?